Stumbled upon an FTI file with no clear application to open it? This extension lacks widespread documentation about its origins. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you investigate these unfamiliar FTI files. Keep your expectations high for the final step. We will introduce you to the single utility that makes troubleshooting the FTI format and dozens of others obsolete. FTI files are uncommon files without widely published format specifications. They may originate from specialized software custom applications or proprietary data systems. Identifying the source application is essential for proper opening and handling of these unfamiliar file extensions. Without documentation, FTI files require investigation to determine format. They may contain configuration data, project information, or proprietary binary structures. Header analysis using hex inspection tools combined with signature databases helps identify the underlying format and originating application. The source application for FTI is frequently listed as HXD from Mael Hertz. The specific compression standard used by this file is not recognized by native Windows software. Windows cannot interpret defunct formats, so restoration apps or converters must be used. We're testing the system's ability to interpret the file's header. Right-click the FTI file and click Open With. Test HXD first. If it's unavailable, choose another program. The right tool is key to success. When your FTI file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. Every failure has a cause. Here are the common technical reasons why your system is failing to correctly parse the FTI format. First, investigating file origin. Check where the FTI file came from, including email attachments, download sources, or installed applications. Review related files in the same folder for context clues about the originating program. Windows Properties dialog may reveal additional metadata about the source application. Next, examining contents. Open the FTI file in HXD hex editor or Notepad++ text editor to examine its structure. Readable text suggests text-based formats, while binary patterns may match known signatures. Compare initial bytes against file format databases for identification clues. Finally, trying universal tools. Use File Viewer Plus or similar universal viewers supporting hundreds of formats. These applications often identify and display obscure file types. If unsuccessful, contact the file sender for information about the originating application and proper handling. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. Having exhausted the troubleshooting methods for your file, you might need a dedicated universal file viewer. FileMagick is the industry leader in bypassing these issues. Download now at filemagick.com. That was the final fix. If you love fast answers, please give this video a quick like.